While you guys have been staying safe at home, sheltering in place, we have been busy. We have been getting all kinds of new books. These books are ready for holds. Look them up in the catalog, place a hold, pick it up at the drive-thru. You don't even have to get out of your car. We have new fiction. Look at all these wonderful romances waiting here. We've got all kinds of romances. We've got fiction, if you like literary fiction, or if you like street lit, or whatever you like, we've probably got it here, and more by the day. We have your cute little cozies. We've got mysteries. We've got cozy mysteries. We've got sci-fi and fantasy, if you like sci-fi and fantasy. Large print, we've got that too. We have been really working hard getting everything in for you. Not much of a fiction fan? Guess what? We've also been working in nonfiction. Look at all these wonderful biographies just waiting to be checked out. We've got politics, we've got economics. We have got gardening, can't wait to get out in the yard. We've got gardening books for you to check out. Cooking, you like keto? We've got easy keto meal prep here. Slow cooker surprises. We've got vegan, if you're into vegan, how to smoke your own meat. Instapot cookbooks. We have got all kinds of crafts. Are you bored at home and you're looking for something new to do? You can learn stained glass. You can do quilting. We have all kinds of things that you can do here. We have a book about rock stars and their houses, if you want to look at that. We've got all kinds of things for entertainment. We've got golfing books. We've got Cassandra King Conroy with her husband Pat Conroy. We've got history. Yes, we do. We even have, if you're interested, the untold story of our presidents and the books they wrote. So bet you didn't know many of the presidents were authors. If you're interested in any of these books, place holds. We are more than happy to grab them for you and bring them down to the drive-thru. You don't even need your library card because we will check it out to you and have it all set for you. So all you have to do is drive up, get the bag of books, and drive away.